What's going on? Really out here. It was like snowing last night and earlier and shit. So yeah, the roads are kind of fucked. I actually just drifted into this parking spot when I got here. Just being reckless as usual. Speaking of which, it's time. Today is the day that the Corvette is being sold, apparently. So I'm basically just waiting for that person to come pick it up. It's just not the right time for me to own a Corvette. It's not very practical. As much as I love it, it has to go. So that's what's going on. And we're also gonna be getting something to replace it with. So I haven't done that yet, but we are definitely gonna go on a little trip and fucking get ourselves something to replace the Vette with. I like the way my car looks in the snow, even though it sucks to drive it in the snow. It looks pretty good. I'm out here chuffing a stick. It's really fucking cold. And yeah, kind of just looking at my car, honestly. I don't know how much footage I'll get from this whole fucking nonsense buying what I'm gonna buy. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Yo, somebody fucking stole my hood emblem, dude. Oh, fuck me, dude. I'm really fucking pissed off. Because now I gotta take this to the dealership and get that figured out. Wow, dude, that just goes to show you, bro. So maybe I'll just fucking leave this car here in the parking garage. Maybe in the parking garage. Fuck, dude. People in the city really fucking suck. I can't believe somebody stole my hood emblem. Like, what? Come on, dude. I don't know. Everybody hates. 'Cause there's a lot of people that can't afford to drive something like this, which is fine, but you just got to be comfortable in your own situation. You know, there's no reason to be insecure about what you drive or how much money you have, dude. It just is what it is. I mean, obviously, if you don't have a lot of money, you can't really change that. There's literally no way to change your economic situation. So yeah, I just wanted to make a video. Dude, I'm like dead ass. I really had no idea that it was even gone. I drove it down here. Granted, there was snow all over my hood, so I couldn't see. But fuck, dude. I mean, it's just been parked in the parking lot of my building. So I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, I might cut the video. That's because now I actually have to worry about that getting fixed too. But fuck it, dude. What's going on? So I think I'm going up to the right level where my car is. Glasses are fogged up. Shit. It's fucking annoying. Oh man. Alright, so these people are fucking idiots, dude. Great way to start off the morning. We're on our way to the dealership right now. It's a little lighter outside. It's a little bit warmer. It's around 7:30. Gonna drop my car off to get a new hood ornament. Hopefully by the time I get back from my trip, my car will be done, but I don't really know. I'm just gonna see what happens. I'm not pressed about it either way. So I was kind of just waiting to have like another vehicle to take this in for a service, just so I wouldn't have to fucking deal with, you know, getting like a loaner car from the dealership and then having to bring that back and worry about that nonsense. So yeah, I'm gonna drop my car off at the Mercedes dealership and hitch my ride to the airport. Drop the car off, waiting for my ride to get here. This massage chair is sick. Alright, so if you couldn't already tell, we're in the Dodge, and I don't have a clock in here. I think it's around 4:30 in the morning. So I'm trying to get back to the city because of all places I'm in Delaware. But it is what it is. I had a really good time, and I'm really happy with the truck. You can just fucking shoot black smoke all over whoever you want. It's sick. So, yeah. I don't know. I'll try and like edit this into a video of some kind, and I'll try and make some content with the truck since I have it. Early 2007 Ram 2500. Single cab, long bed. It's got a 5.9. It's got some cool shit done to it that I didn't do myself. But yeah. It's a big truck, and it's not necessarily easy to drive, but it's fun. It's a lot of fucking fun. So I'm gonna try and figure out how to drive this, because even after the 7.5 hours, I still don't know how to drive it. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll holler at you guys later.
Iron block 4-cylinder in it, and they put a bigger turbo on. Those cars with the bolt-ons from like APR, with this dealership like warranties, they're so fucking fast that they blow the clutches apart. So the warranties cover their clutch. No shit. These cars are like put down.
Alright. Forgive me for this, but I'm in traffic kind of, so I'm definitely gonna have to shift in gears at some point. I know it's loud. Believe me, I know. Not all these fucking cars whizzing by me and then slamming on the brakes. So I guess just my impressions on the truck so far. I really like it. It's definitely cumbersome to drive. That's for sure. But it's worth it. It's a lot of fun to drive, for one, and it gets really good fuel economy, which is nice, especially for having 250% injectors. I'm going down the city right now. just got off the highway, getting on Kelly Drive, because I don't want to sit in traffic. I don't have the, I don't really have enough fuel for that. Y'all will probably think I'm an idiot for doing this, but came down here this morning and forgot my wallet, so I was gonna go to CVS and get a couple things. Oh wow, I didn't even know my phone could go there. It just like went into the fucking steering wheel. That's one thing I gotta be careful of, I guess, with fucking going over these potholes and shit. Really don't want it to fall down where my pedals are. That would not be okay. I'm thinking about getting some sort of mount to put on the inside of this thing so that I can, forgive me if I'm not looking at the camera and talking or the steering wheel's blocking me. Trying to get a mount so that I can do talking videos like this, and it's not a complete shit show. But yeah, I mean, general ownership wise, I really fuck with the truck. As anybody would expect, it's hard to drive it around the city with the spacers. I'm gonna get a set of 20 by 12 wheels on here, probably same style of wheels, some fuel wheels, but yeah, that's like all I'm really looking to do to it right now. At the moment, I mean, I can't really